I'm gonna stencil with the bells and whistles, Western boho stencil here. This one, Dixie Belle Western boho, and I'm gonna put it on the sides of the drawers, and I'm gonna use bright yellow so it pops. I'm gonna go right here on both the sides twice. So I'm gonna go here and then here. And I'm using the mustard color by Dixie Belle. I like to use these little foam brushes, and it also comes with a little like white piece like this where you can also scrape the paint into that silk screen so it really gets in there, so you get those crisp lines. I'm gonna dip my paint in, and you want to press in to the stencil, silk screen stencil. And I like to do it in little swirly motions. I'm going to use this guy and make sure it's really in there. And you can see a difference from right there to from this side and this side. I really push that paint down into that silk screen so I get those crisp lines that I want. I'm gonna peel it up and show you guys up close. So this is the front of the drawer. I don't have the knobs on or anything. I'm not done with the front, but when they open it up, this is what's gonna be on the inside of the drawers. Isn't that fun? So a little surprise when they open up the drawers. Okay, tell me that is not so stinking cute. And look how crisp the lines are. So crisp.